JAHJAH Foundation, Dr. Dixon. Dr. Dixon, oh, you just a pastor. Come over here, sir, man. Come over here, sir. Come over here, sir, Dr. Dixon. It's not a JAHJAH Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, the president, the CEO of JAHJAH Foundation. That's why, let me tell you something, it's our charity foundation, stay close and work together. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Dr. Dixon from JAHJAH Foundation. When you talk about JAHJAH Foundation, you're talking about JAHJAH Foundation responsible for the health care, for improving health care system in Jamaica and make health care system better. So Dr. Dixon tell them all about JAHJAH Foundation. And listen, don't feel like you talk too much. Tell them about JAHJAH, you know. We know Rosie this, you know. It's all about Rosie Foundation charity right now. But make them know what JAHJAH do with said speed.
That's right. Tonight is all about Rosie Foundation.
Yes, it is.
Who's here for Rosie Foundation? Who's here for Rosie Foundation? Yeah, tonight is all about Rosie Foundation. Just remember that in everything, always put JAHJAH in everything you do in life and everything we work on. See? But otherwise, I'm all about Rosie Foundation. I big up Rosie and the whole crew. Wishing her all the best as she do what she can for the betterment of the people of Jamaica. This is all about the people of Jamaica, nothing more, nothing less. So support, as you can see the images in the background of all the great work that Rosie has been doing in Jamaica. So we want to big up Rosie. Tonight is all about Rosie's Foundation. And just remember, keep JAHJAH in your mind. One love.
I want to say thank you to all the people that came out to support the Roses Friendship Foundation that we help the people in Jamaica and in Ghana. And I want to shout out to all of you who came out to support the Roses Friendship Foundation.